Alrighty, so the web tool that I chose to highlight is PureGrade. I really liked this tool designed for students to give peer feedback or peer review. I really liked it because it is very easy to use, and once the students know how to use it, it can be a very useful tool for both the students and the teachers. Um, it allows for students to, so here, right here, it shows us how it works. So first, the teachers are going to set up the assignment. So they put the assignment in, the students submit their work individually. Students can, and what I really liked about this is when the teacher sets up the assignment, right here, the teacher is able to set their own feedback rubric for students to go off of and use. This is great because then the students know exactly what they're looking for when they're reviewing their peers' work, and um, and they're able to engage with their feedback. So students, here they are, students are reviewing the document. So here's an example given by the website. So here you can see that the students are, so mention something that your classmate did well in. So here they can go ahead and put in the information and mention something that your classmate could improve at. And that's where they can give that their recommendations utilizing the teacher's rubric. So they know what the teacher is looking for as far as from this assignment, as well as knowing what to look for in their peers' work. Um, so then the students are able to engage with their feedback, so they can how it could be useful, what they could change, and all while the teacher has a complete overview of like what they did during peer review. I found that the pricing of this um, feature is, so there is just, it is, you do have to pay, but it really isn't that expensive. So it's the basic features, and that's that what I think would be perfect for utilizing in a classroom would be $2 a student per year. That includes all the essential features, the unlimited classes and assignments, customized anonymity settings, self-evaluation, group submission, non-submitters can review. So I think this basic would be perfect for to be used in a classroom. All students can benefit from this application. Um, it really is great for everybody. You can sorry, what's the word? You can gear it towards you can make it easier for some students, not easier, but you could adapt it into in for students who may need adaptations. Um, it gives you full reports for all your students, gives you rubrics that you can follow. They do have templates for rubrics, so it's not too much work on the teacher. Um, this can assist in instruction because it allows the students to think deeper about what they're learning. So they're thinking deeper about their assignments. They're providing that feedback from their peers, and peers really do learn from each other. So that's why I think this is such a good tool that could be used in a classroom. For assessment, the teacher can has a complete overview of what the students were working on. So as they are reviewing, the teacher can facilitate anyone who's having a hard time giving feedback on the assignment. So the teacher can essentially just be viewing has an overview of what the students are doing and can know how to help them. Um, I think this is very engaging because they have a rubric to follow, and so they understand what's expected of the assignment, what the teacher's looking for, and it's engaging because they're able to work together with the peer. So they're working with a partner, they're reviewing their work, and then also listening to their peers to know what to fix in their assignment. So overall, I think PeerGrade is a great tool to be used in a classroom. Um, it it really does facilitate peer feedback, and allows them to do it in a way where they feel comfortable and safe and know exactly what's expected of them. It's a great tool.